Colorectal cancer is the second deadliest cancer in the U.S. and the most preventable. What's on your plate could be what's killing you. The best way to beat colorectal cancer is to avoid it in the first place. If you've already been diagnosed, you have everything to gain by changing how you eat and live, starting now. Colorectal cancer doesn't happen overnight. It's built over years of damage from poor choices. Here's what fuels it: processed meats, like bacon, sausage, deli meats, classified as Group 1 carcinogens. Red meat in excess, especially charred or grilled. Low fiber intake, slows digestion, lets toxins linger in the gut. High sugar and refined carbs, feed inflammation and insulin resistance. Obesity and visceral fat create a pro-cancer environment. Alcohol and smoking damage the gut lining and DNA. Sedentary lifestyle reduces circulation and immune surveillance. Chronic inflammation and poor gut microbiome health. If you want to prevent or fight colon cancer, you need to clean up your gut terrain. High-fiber plant foods, crucial. Think broccoli, leafy greens, cauliflower, berries, carrots, flax seeds. Cruciferous vegetables contain sulforaphane, a known cancer fighter. Garlic, onions, leeks, rich in organosulfur compounds that reduce tumor growth. Fermented foods, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, which support your microbiome. Omega-3s, from wild salmon, sardines, flax, anti-inflammatory and protective. Green tea contains catechins that reduce tumor growth in the gut. Water keeps things moving, reduces toxin buildup. Avoid these. Processed meats, period. Highly processed snacks, chips, crackers, packaged junk. Sugary drinks feed insulin resistance and cancer cell metabolism. Seed oils promote inflammation and gut damage. Alcohol, even moderate use, increases colon cancer risk. Lifestyle upgrades, move daily, even brisk walking reduces risk. Lose visceral fat, belly fat is metabolically toxic. Sleep 7 to 9 hours, your immune system depends on it. Reduce chronic stress, cortisol fuels inflammation. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Yes, again, this cancer doesn't wait. Neither should you. Every bite, every step, every choice matters. Prevention starts in your kitchen. Food is medicine.